Hello, I'm Farrell Smith, and I'm excited to have this chance to instruct you on assembling personal computers. Would you like to gain a skill that is impressive to family and friends, as well as valuable in the workplace? You supply the aptitude and a desire to learn. I'll teach you the rest. With that said, we're ready to get started. Now we need to install the RAM, processor, and cooling fan onto our motherboard. We'll refer to the motherboard book to see where pin 1 is on the different connectors. According to the motherboard book, pin 1 is toward the keyboard connector. We have 3 RAM slots, and according to the motherboard book, I should use the slot closest to the center of the board. It's done. According to the motherboard book, the jumper right above the battery also has to be set. These are our plastic fasteners. Put our washers over the holes. Before we go any further, we'll need to configure our motherboard to match the processor we've chosen. That's where changing jumpers comes in. According to the motherboard book, we match the board to a core frequency on the processor of 2.2 volts by putting a jumper here, Now we're ready to hook up our different cables. We need to push our video card securely into the video card AGP slot. We also need to push our PCI modem into the PCI slot. I kind of rocked it back and forth until I felt it pop in. I'm going to close the camera in on the monitor screen so you can see everything I'm doing. The computer's not going to boot up. It's going to come up with a CMOS error.